Good morning. We are about to go on a little dinghy adventure. See back there? I got the sail on the dinghy, and we're gonna go all the way across to town. The wind is nice and light, so it's good for us to kind of practice a little and get into it. The sun's coming up. We're gonna go on an adventure and hopefully find maybe some coffee and breakfast or something like that. You're gonna get a little wet, probably.
It's gonna be so wet.
Yep, you might want to start scooping.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure it's more of like a one person, but it's gonna be great.
It's gonna be fun. How cold is the water? The water is so warm.
Look at
Jeez.
you ready for all your room to go away? There we go.
We got it. I'm just hanging out in the corner with our flotation jugs.
Enough? Oh.
It's gonna go up your butt.
What are you laughing at? Can you see my butt?
Yeah, it looks good.
What's wrong with it?
It's cold out. It's almost warmer in the water. That's pretty.
Oh, this is so cool. There's our boat, Shelly. Say hi, everybody.
Look at those
Buy
windows.
your Shelly t-shirts. Totally pros.
Let's go.
See, this is chill. It's when you
This
get
is
more
chill.
wind, you gotta kind of lean. Like, I'll be on that side probably with you. I don't know. We'll see.
This is peaceful.
It's so nice. I could just fall back asleep. I'm so tired. Let's go close to the big boat. Huh?
Can you imagine, making that a houseboat instead of like it being a fishing boat?
Dolphins. They're coming. He's coming for us. Look. You
Oh
ready
my
to get the
God.
dolphin? You see him? Oh, they're coming to see us. Oh my God, I'm crying.
Oh my God.
Pull out the OMG counter right now.
Oh my God.
There he is.
Wow.
There he is. He's got a big fin. Hopefully the wind isn't crazy when we're coming back. That will be like, shit. Look at that little red boat. It's cool. Little dinghy.
Very fun. Very relaxing.
I don't think we're gonna hit ground today. Slow speed. All right, slow it down, Marisa. You can go under the bridge.
Here we go. The sail looks so pretty right now.
Well, look at that blue one over there.
Yeah, that one's classy looking.
Nice. Look at a new anchor. Good morning. Ooh, the bridge is open. Let's hurry. That's a sweet boat.
Look at all the boats.
Right into the sun. That's pretty. Oh, it's so bright.
Your eyes.
You checking them out? Check out my balls.
Check out my balls. Ow! Hit my funny bone.
Oh, just take a breather. Just. Our flotation is working.
Why do you say that?
We're floating.
Should we be sinking?
No, but we are floating.
Yes. I'm so nervous, but we're moving so slow.
Yeah, Marissa gets nervous. You wouldn't say you're stressed out.
No, I'm cautious. I'm ready.
You are ready. Anything that happens.
I'm ready.
Gator!
Gator!
Gator don't play no
Gator don't
shit.
play no shit. I don't play. So there's a gator right here.
Punch a gator.
Oh God, it's so bright. How are we gonna
Watch
see
your
it?
head.
Watch your head.
No, your head. Watch your head. I just told you. Can you see?
No, can you?
Nope, I'm driving. Coming into the park. Yeah.
All we need to do is not hit that one dinghy. I'm ready.
We're almost to the wall.
Got it.
We made it. Alright, tell us what happened.
We went sailing, and then we saw dolphins, and then we sailed through the mooring field and watched the sunrise, and it was very nice, and we just tied up to a park, and now we're gonna go get a sweet treat and a coffee, and then we're gonna go sailing again.
And your phone just died, so if it looks different, it's because it's on my phone.
Yeah, my phone just died. I thought it was charging last night. My bad.
We're going to get some coffee, huh? You get some coffee. What'd you get?
I got a gluten-free carrot walnut muffin and a latte.
I got coffee cake for breakfast.
It looks so good.
This is a nice spot, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Look how nice it is here.
It's like a marina.
It's like one?
It is one.
Is it good?
Yeah.
All right, you ready to go back?
I'm ready to go back.
Good thing we brought. This is our not so big problem solver, and then the orange bucket's our big problem solver.
You're doing great.
Here we go.
Marissa has to paddle.
I can't get out of the channel.
We're stuck. All right. He's still
We're almost out of
still
the channel.
going. We're almost free.
Like George Washington.
You look like George Washington. Amazing.
Whoa. We're almost out.
We're almost out of
I
that
feel
hole.
death.
Oh, I feel breeze.
I feel breeze.
All right.
Jeez.
Let's see. We'll find out. It's gonna get windier and windier.
Oh no.
And we'll be perfect. Then we're gonna load up the car. We're gonna get ready to go to Boston. We're going to see the eclipse.
By the time you watch this video,
It will have happened, probably.
we'll give you an update. We're in Boston. We found the sailboats.
Look, they got candy pecans.
What do you think?
It looks so good.
Hannah!
So breezy.
It's still covered.
moving.
We are moving really fast. We're moving forwards, which is all that matters.
Slowly but surely we'll
We
make
might
it
not
there.
be the quickest out there. We're not the fastest sailors, but we're moving forwards. So, hey, what can you say about that? No engine needed, just wind and human power.
So we might, hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah, we might not be the fastest, but we sure do know how to party.
Yeah, we're the most stylish.
Oh yeah.
That's for sure.
Look at these. Look at our life jackets.
This is my sea fit.
There's Brett's wind detector. It's a little windy.
That's my windicator. My little piece of yarn.
Look at the lighting on it. It's so nice. Watch, someone's in there. They're gonna pop out. Hi.
If they're in there, they're locked in. Let me out of here.
I like this boat. It's cool.
He stopped moving.
So we're not moving anymore, but that's okay.
Oh. I think I'm gonna get sunburned. My face is so hot.
We got some waves.
I love it.
Woohoo! Don't mind us.
What boat is that? What? Okay. It's very pretty.
It's very pretty. Now you have to compliment our boat.
Yeah, we match. We're moving.
Yeah, we are. We got 2 power sources.
Yeah, I'm doing great.
You are. You're sailing the heck out of this thing. Thanks for hanging out with us. This is a day in the life of Brett and Marisa.
Yeah, having a good time.
Having a great time.
Soon we will be sailing so fast. I'm thirsty. It's been 10 days in the dinghy. No wind.
Just bobbing around.
I have to drink my own sweat. It's getting rough out here. Please subscribe to our Patreon. Just kidding.
We're back. We made it.
We're back
Sail
at the
us
boat.
home, honey.
I will sail us the rest of the way. Hopefully I don't miss.
Thanks for watching, guys. It was a lovely morning, and we loved having you along for the adventure.
It's just bright.
It's really bright.
It's pretty sunny.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Love ya.